While taking Skinfold measurements, take all measurements on the right side of the client's body. The client's skin should be dry and lotion-free. Do not take Skinfold measurement immediately after exercise. Identify and mark all sites before measuring. Firmly grasp the skin folds between the thumb and index finger of your left hand, 1 centimeter above the site to be measured. To grasp the skin folds, place the thumb and the index finger about 3 inches apart on the line that is perpendicular to the long axis of the skin fold. Pull the skin fold up and away from the body. Keep the fold elevated while you take the measure. Keep pinching the fold with your left hand throughout the entire measurement. Hold the caliper in your right hand with the dial facing up. Place the jaws of the caliper perpendicular to the fold 1 centimeter below the fingers and halfway between the crest and the base of the fold, and release all pressure on the scissors grip while keeping the caliper perpendicular to the skin fold. Record the skin fold measurement to the nearest 0.5 millimeter 1 to 2 seconds after releasing the scissor grip. Take skin fold measures in rotational order to allow time for the skin fold to regain its normal thickness. Take a minimum of 2 measurements at each site. If duplicate measurements are not within 1 or 2 millimeters, retest this site. You will then calculate the average for each skinfold site using the client's measurements and a validated skinfold equations. Percentage body fat can be estimated. There will be 7 different skinfold sites. The first one will be the triceps. This will be a vertical fold. It will be on the posterior midline of the upper arm, halfway between the acromion and the olecranon processes, with the arm held freely to the side of the body. The second will be the subscapular. This will be a diagonal fold at a 45-degree angle, 1 to 2 centimeters below the interior angle of the scapula. The third measurement will be the chest. This will be a diagonal fold, 1/2 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for men, or the 1/3 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for women. The fourth measurement will be the mid-axillary. This will be a vertical fold on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphoid process and of the sternum. An alternate method is a horizontal fold taken at the level of the xiphoid sternal border and the mid-axillary line. The next measurement will be the abdominal. This will be a vertical fold, and it will be located 2 centimeters to the right side of the umbilicus. The sixth measurement will be the suprailiac. This will be a diagonal fold. It is in line with the natural angle of the iliac crest taken in the anterior axillary line immediately superior to the iliac crest. The seventh measurement will be the thigh. This will be a vertical fold, and it will be located on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease, or the hip. Once you have finished, you may start over and record your second measurements. When calculating the body density formula, you will use 2 different formulas, one for the men and one for the women, as shown in these 2 photos. After calculating the body density, you can then convert it into percentage body fat by using either the Brozak equation or the Siri equation.